Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really nice oscillating sprinkler. This thing is built really well because it's got a metal base. That's going to really help with reinforcement, especially if it gets tossed around or kicked around by kids. Whatever the case may be, that metal base really adds a lot of stability when this is on the ground. 19 different directional nozzles, which is incredible. Those are really nicely placed, and I like the fact that they angle exactly as they should. And this part here, I'm going to demonstrate in a minute, is actually a really cool feature I have not seen on one of these, which allows you to adjust how far this goes. So if you're only wanting to water at a certain angle or only a certain direction, it doesn't have to go the full 180 degrees. If you did want it to, you can just open it up. If you want it to be narrower or over to one side, that is really great. And it also has these attachments which allow you to have a quick connect and a directional shut-off valve. So you've actually got a ball valve in there that can easily open and close. So that's really great. So I'm going to go ahead and get that put on first so that we've got that put on there so that way I can turn this off on the fly. And then I'm going to go ahead and install this quick connect because I want to be able to disconnect this quickly. So I've got that sealed on there. This other part of the quick connect just simply goes onto the end of a standard garden hose. That way you can quickly disconnect this to water or say fill up a bucket, whatever the case is. And then when you're ready to quick connect, simply latch it on in place. Now you've got it on there, and when you want to disconnect it, just simply pull it off. All the seals are in place, so everything is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and set this out here and get this kicked on. So now we've got this thing going here. You've got this directional shut-off valve that allows you to adjust this and shut it completely off with that little shut-off ball valve, which is fantastic. And then you can actually adjust this part here. So say if I only want to water over there, I can do that, and I can stand here and not get wet. If I want to go ahead and have it be only over that direction completely, I can tilt it and just get that little bit of angle. So that way if you're going to be watering a garden, things like that, you can do that. Or open it all the way up, and I'm going to get wet. Ah! So works really well. This provides a nice full directional ability to water certain areas of your yard. Loving the fact that it's got that shut off and the ability to do the quick connect. With that stable base, you see it is not moving even under the direct pressure of all of that water. It's a fantastic product.